those dolls have really interesting stories. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any of the dolls in my basement. I
found one of them. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be restoring my old American Girl doll, the Girl of the Year 2014, Isabelle Palmer. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe. It's completely free. Enjoy the video! So first I wanted to show you guys all of these supplies that I'll be using. I have a metal wired hairbrush, some small towels, baking soda, some gloves, a pin, and a sewing thing, a plastic bag, and a bowl. Now the first thing that I decided to do, which was recommended via TikTok and other videos that I saw on the internet, was I decided to take the stuffing out of the doll so that way I could wash the stuffing, and I looked it up to make sure that it was washing machine safe, and it is. Mostly because she smelled really bad. She's kind of smelled moldy, not gonna lie. Then I got myself a bowl of hot water and poured a bunch of baking soda into it, which I will show you guys in a minute, that I ended up putting the body into because I couldn't put it in the washer or dryer because I wasn't going to be detaching the limbs because I didn't need to. The limbs of the doll were pretty sturdy and didn't need to be fixed. Then I went in with some baking soda and the hot water mixture to start cleaning her face because she had some random spots on her face. I ended up using dish soap later on, which I didn't show here because I forgot to film it, but just trust me. Then I got to work on cleaning up her hair. I decided to wet it first and then try to brush some of it out, and then I ended up washing it with some shampoo and conditioner, and here's the results of doing that and also soaking the body. And then I ended up taking that stuffing and washing it. And the next morning I checked on everything and I decided to hang the body to dry. However, I did have to soak it again, but this time I soaked the limbs with some baking soda and hot water, and I also decided to wash her hair again, which I didn't show. And here's me getting some hot water and vinegar to soak the limbs in because the smell was still not coming out. And I also washed the stuffing, and you guys will see I give it a nice good sniff test, and it smelled good. I didn't smell any moldy smells or anything like that. And then later on I gave her hair a sniff test, and she was definitely smelling a lot better. And the body was also smelling good as well. I actually also went in with some body wash on the body. And then I rethreaded the string because the string actually broke while I was taking it out, so I had to rethread it, and I also fixed the string. In order to thread the string through the body, I put a safety pin onto one end of the string, and as you guys will see in a moment, I carefully threaded the string through the body until it was completely through. And then the following morning, I am showing off the string, of course, and the body, and everything came out pretty good, and all that was left to do was to put the stuffing back in the body. And honestly, this step took forever to do because there was so much stuffing, and it was also really hard to get all the stuffing in there because it's, you know, such a small space and there was all that stuffing. Here she is with the string all tied up. It took forever to also get the knot to be tight so that way her head didn't fall out of her body. And then the last thing that was left to do was to dress her in this cute little outfit. Okay, we're ready for the grand reveal. Drum roll, please.
I had no idea if I was going to pull this off or not. And a lot of times I was like losing hope while I was cleaning. But here she is. Oh my gosh. I had asked for this doll for Christmas in 2014 because at the time I was a dancer and she was a dancer, and I was like, wow, a fellow dancer, I want this doll. So I begged Santa for it, and I wanted like her whole collection and everything. And on Christmas Day, I got a nice long 18-inch box, and there she was in the box. And that was gonna be 12 years ago now, which is crazy to think about. She is 12 years old, and I think she came out absolutely beautifully. She doesn't have a weird smell to her anymore. Her hair smells incredible. Like, her hair smells so good, and her hair is like so soft. As you guys may see, I keep like combing through it and whatnot. And her outfit is pretty cute, although I'm thinking of making her like some cute like Y2K clothes because I want her to match my Y2K room. And yeah, she's just absolutely stunning. Here she is up close. She doesn't have any weird stains on her or anything, and she's just so beautiful. I'm so glad I was able to pull this off. And also, here's her outfit. She's just got this cute tank top with pink flowers on it, some jeans, and some pink sneakers. I was able to find a few of my old doll clothes, but I wasn't able to find anything of Isabel's collection except for her pajama shirt. So maybe one of these days I will go looking for the rest of her collection. I didn't get her whole collection, I just got like part of it. I got like her dance suitcase thing, her pajamas, one of her dance outfits, and I think that's it. That's all I got from her collection. I don't remember. It was a long time ago, but yeah.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Please be sure to subscribe. Like I said earlier, it's completely free. Also, be sure to click the notification bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.